In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own character in PolyBuzz. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to polybuzz.ai and you want to, of course, sign into your account. And then here on the left, you have an option which says Create Character. Click on that, and then over here, you can see two different things. Click on Let's Create a New Character where it says Create. And then once you do this, first you have to give it a name. I'm gonna just give him a name Bill over here. And then you can of course upload an avatar if you have one. If you don't have one, of course, you'll be able to essentially just generate it over here. You can click generate, and then you have to save this as a draft. And then you can basically generate a random image. You can just prompt it like this. So for this instance, I'm just going to essentially, let's just do a little prompt. Let's do a man in a suit. Of course, you can do again whatever you want. You can adjust the size, whatever you want to do. And then once you generate this, it's going to start processing, and then of course this is going to process for you, and you're going to be able to see this inside your gallery. As you can see, mine are currently processing. Now while this is processing, I'm going to go back to create a character. We're going to go ahead and click on create over here, and as you can see, it says there's a character being created. I'm going to click on continue. His name was Bill. And then over here you can select the gender, and then of course the intro. So intro is going to be basically what everyone's going to see. So you can click on this question mark in case you don't know what any of these parts are. And then I'm just going to type in he is just Bill. Okay, a bit vague, but whatever for now. And then the greeting, hey, I'm Bill, nice to meet you, or something like that. Okay, so it doesn't really matter. Of course, you can do whatever you want. This over here is how it's going to look like. And then down here, you have to add different tags. So here you can give them different character origin, identity, personality, or story tags. Okay, I'm just going to do personality right now, and I'm going to do, let's say I'm going to do, I don't know, what do we want to do? Let's say I'm going to do funny, and then I'm going to do whatever, let's do shy. Okay, and then I'm going to save like this. Okay, and then you can describe the background in case you want to have that. You can of course put it in a dialogue style in case you'd like it to be in a specific dialogue style. Then you can give them a voice. So here are all the voices. You can of course filter by female and male as well. And then once you've done all of this, and once you've selected a voice, I'm just gonna do a male, I'm gonna do a mature man, and you can click on create character. Now this over here, of course, has to be accepted as well. You have to confirm that the character does not infringe on the image, intellectual property, or any other rights. And of course, the only thing missing for us right now is this part. It's going to be, of course, the image. As you can see, my images are over here. I'm going to pick this first one. And now after you've done this, you can see the create character button appears. You can click on that. And then it says creation successful. Click on OK, and now you have the access to your character inside here, inside your characters, and you can just click on chat and you can start chatting with him. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.